Today I'm going to show you how to make a persuasive poster. Here's the example topic about vermicomposting. For this poster, we are going to use a persuasive writing to convince your audience that vermicomposting is a good way to do. You learn about how vermicomposting helps to reduce food waste and a great way to learn about environment. So now we're going to share our knowledge. So how can you be persuasive? Being persuasive is just another way of saying you can convince others to believe something or to do something. The great way of doing this is using the Oreo method. The first part of this is stating your opinion, like for me composting is great. The second part is saying your reasons. Why do you think this is? For example, vermicompost is great because it helps reduce food waste. The third step is explanation or given a fact support the reasons. The example of this is just saying that you can give extra food to worms to make it into a good soil. And the last step is to restate your opinion, but this time in a stronger way. Now that we know the basics, let's move on to how to make persuasive poster. First of all, we want to make the title that draws viewers in. Asking a question is a great way to do this. Like, why is vermicomposting great? You can also think of other way to make a fun title. Maybe you can add a fun phrase or a catchy slogan. Next on your poster, you want to put in your key points or purpose for your poster. Next, you want to add your risk reasoning and facts-based posters to help support your main argument. You want them to also catch attention of the viewers by making them surprisingly or fun to know about. Next, you want to restate your main argument, but add your strong explanation to it. Convince your reader and add an eye-catching picture that relate to what you are talking about. Make them colorful and big, but also make sure that they don't cover up any words. So there you have it, a persuasive poster that could convince someone. Now all you have to do is present your poster. When you present your poster, you can start by saying your main opinion or argument, then say your explanation and reasons, and then finish by saying your argument, but in a stronger way, by summing everything up. You can also put your pictures to help the audience understand what you are saying. Make sure you speak loudly. Don't be afraid. You will do great. So thank you so much. I hope you have fun in making your poster. I'll see you again next time.